Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps maintain smooth performance? Understanding the Flutter App Lifecycle is key. Every mobile app goes through specific states. These include resumed, inactive, paused, and detached. Each state affects how your app operates. Let's start with the resumed state. This is when users actively interact with your app. It's crucial to ensure fast response times in this state. Next, we have the inactive state. This occurs when the app is not receiving user input. Think of it as a moment of a user distraction. Moving on to paused. This is when the app moves to the background but remains active. In this state, you must save data to prevent loss. Now, let's talk about the detached state. This means the app is no longer visible to users. It may be terminating, but it's important to free up resources. Handling these states effectively is essential. Proper management prevents memory leaks. It also improves overall app stability. Imagine using an app that freezes because of poor state management. Frustrating, right? That's why understanding these states matters. To illustrate, consider a music app. When the user presses play, the app is in the resumed state. If a call comes in, it shifts to inactive. When the call ends, the app returns to resumed. If the user leaves the app but wants music to play, it moves to paused. When users exit the app entirely, it enters detached. Proper management ensures music continues, while resources are efficiently used. In summary, mastering Flutter App Lifecycle states enhances user experience. Effective management ensures reliability, efficiency, and satisfaction. Ready to elevate your app development with this knowledge? Start implementing these concepts today for smoother app performance. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.